Get it together, get it together.
Get it together.
6.5 hours later.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, today I have a very special guest, Angel Flores.
Hi guys.
Welcome to my channel.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for using your studio.
Yes, faux show. You were visiting, we had to film.
So you guys, today we have a very special video. Today we're doing 10 minutes. We gotta do our full glam in 10 minutes. Deep face, foundation, powder, everything, honey, under 10 minutes. So, woo.
Do we have what it takes?
That's the question. I guess we gonna find out, girl. How long do you usually take?
I take, like a no makeup, it takes me like 30 minutes. But if I'm doing like full B, at least an hour.
Full B, I mean,
yeah.
An hour and a half, shit. Just my brows.
That's why I said
like
at least an hour.
I usually take 10 minutes on my brows, so we're gonna see.
So I guess she's just doing brows today.
But, oh, and follow her in her channel. What's your channel?
My channel is Angel Flores Beauty, or it's Angel Flores. Look it up. I should pop up on there. And we did one on my channel, so check it out.
On your channel, we did the
No Mirror Makeup Challenge.
But without further ado, we're gonna start this video. So you're gonna put 10 minutes.
Yes, let's start this timer.
Oh my god, you guys.
All right, you ready? Ready?
Okay.
See if we can do this. And go. We're not even gonna worry about telling you guys what we're using because we got 10 minutes, huh?
We gotta focus on what we're doing, so if we don't talk a lot, we're focusing, bitch.
Right. Just let's insert a bunch of like clips in there.
And we're not cheating. I'm not editing this part out. It's gonna be straight 10 minutes.
The straight 10 minutes.
So you know we ain't cheating, girl. I didn't even blend my primer. It's okay, I'm gonna blend it all together right now. Oh, she's already on foundation.
Girl, I gotta go to work later, so let's hope this turns out pretty good. Because I'm not taking it off. I'm just gonna add on to it.
Oh my god. Full glam in 10 minutes.
Oh, we got this. We got this. Just gotta concentrate. Yo, this hair
I
is
wanna ask you
crazy.
stuff, but I'm like, no.
Right, like, no, we're gonna be distracted.
I was gonna ask you, what you get for Christmas, girl?
Oh, well, yeah, we can do that. Why not? Well, we're dabbing. So for Christmas, I got these 2 bracelets. I mean, I'm wearing them. Obviously, you know how it is. You get something, you wear right away. I got the Alex drawers.
Yeah.
So it's got like a whole like desk thing.
How are those?
They're still empty.
Was it easy to set up?
Oh, he set them up for me, so I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah. And
I'm assuming he's your boo thing.
oh yeah, 6 years.
Oh wow. Congrats.
Thanks. An eternity. I'm like, but do you see something here? No.
Okay. Hopefully soon, you guys. So we're still
dabbing foundation and it's taking too long, so I'm moving on.
Concealer.
Oh, you're in concealer?
Yeah, concealer. And I'm actually mixing the concealer on top of my eyelids so it can work as a eye primer. Fuck that, ain't nobody got time. Hey, come on.
Let's check time. We got 8 minutes.
Oh, we're doing good.
We're doing good, we're doing good. Just keep going. I forgot to wet my sponge.
Mine was still kind of wet from yesterday. It's crazy.
What the hell?
Yeah, I guess because I left it in the baggie.
Oh, yeah.
The plastic bag, the Ziploc, it held their moisture or something. Okay.
Love that moist thing, girl.
So I'm using here to displace palettes and... Okay. Oh my god.
I love those because they're so affordable and so pigmented.
I just tried them for the first time. Oh, go ahead, I'll cut you off.
No, I was gonna say they're always on sale too. So they're cheap. I think I got them for like $17 or something.
Are you sure?
Like that.
That's a good deal.
I'm gonna set using the Patrick powder.
The Patrick powder. Harder than I thought.
We got this, we got this.
Don't mind the doggies.
Oh my god, stop playing, you're making too much noise. Hey! Cochinas, look! Open her.
While we do our makeup, they're like, they're not even watching us. We can do whatever we want right now.
Right? It's like BTS behind the scenes.
Oh my god, it's so nice.
I'm at your nice shot already and I'm not. This complexion.
Oh my god. Hold on, I gotta fix stuff.
6 minutes. I think we're doing good. We're doing good. Just keep up. Just keep at it. Oh my god, I lost my train of thought.
That's what I was doing too. I'm like, girl, get it together.
Yes, honey.
Okay. She's kind of cheating.
Come through, honey, with that booty blender.
Cause I went overboard with that shadow, so I used concealer and I cleaned it up.
There you go. Listen, you do what you can. Look at that.
It's kind of like a little cut crease, I guess.
I am gonna look crazy.
Okay, I'm moving on to face because this are taking me forever to do. And again, I forgot to put that powder before I did the eyeshadow. So if you haven't done your eyeshadow, girl,
Bug it, bug it.
cover up that beard, honey.
That beard, honey. Love you.
Okay, I'm a woman.
Yes, honey. This is MILEENA. I don't know what you talking about. You hiding something from me? Is that what you're telling me?
No. Fuck, I'm like losing my breath. Okay.
Lips?
Yes, I'm.
Lips?
I'm trying to listen, girl. As long as I have my lips, I'm gonna pop it.
You know what? I think I'm gonna do my lips too and then continue the face. Like you said, as long as I got my lips, I'm popping. I'm gonna go to work, they're gonna be like, what the fuck? Like, what?
Is there times when you can tell someone?
4 minutes! No, 3:30. 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
And there are times when you go to work and you can tell a bitch that their makeup in like 5 minutes because maybe they were.
Oh yeah. Or sometimes that they don't do anything at all. Or like I don't do anything at all. Sometimes like I'll just put a BB, mascara, brows, a gloss, and we're out the door, honey.
Do they tell y'all anything? Like, oh girl, you need to put some more makeup on her.
No.
That's good.
Oh yeah, I'm liking these eyes. I'm okay with what I did. Alright, moving on to the face, guys. California love.
Highlighter, honey.
Two minutes and 30 seconds. Runs it up, runs it up. Cause you know a bitch is pale.
I wanna do some type of brow.
I've never beaten my face so hard, like literally beaten my face.
Alright. I think I can manage with doing one brow because my hair hides the other one.
There you go. It's about the trick, honey. Fake it till you make it.
Oh, I put bottom. Oh shit.
Brows, we're doing gimme brow. What color's your brow gel? I'm about to steal it.
Go ahead, use it.
Because my brow gel.
It's a dark brown.
That works, because my brow gel is running out. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Shit, this some bullshit, man.
I'm trying to fix all my mistakes with concealer again.
Yes, honey.
Oh my god. We're really focusing. Sorry, you guys.
We're trying to look cute too. Do you do mascara?
Oh shit, mascara. Mascara. You're so right. Damn it! Oh my god.
So, what do we think? How do we look? How do we
look, you guys? Like a train. I actually like it.
I'm okay with it. I'm okay. I wish I would have, had time to do mascara. Let me stop this shit.
Yeah, mascara.
Yeah, I wish I had more time so I could have done mascara.
And maybe darken up the eyes a little. But,
mascara, brows. Fix my brows a little bit more.
Okay. They look good.
They're okay.
No, they look good. We did good for 10 minutes. Would you go out like that?
Yeah.
So you're gonna go to work like that?
No, I'm gonna add more to it. I'm gonna put my mascara on, fix some brows, but yeah.
I think we did good, you guys.
I think so too. I agree.
I did a red lip, a cranberry eye. I kind of fucked it up, so I used concealer and it kind of looked like like I just did the ends. I don't know, it turned out good.
Yeah.
It saved me. Concealer saved my life. Because I messed it up here in the bottom and I just added some concealer. So concealer fixes everything, girl.
Yes, honey. It's that makeup eraser.
Anyways, this is our 10-minute makeup challenge. What do you think? Do we look hot? Do we look past?
Do we look hot or not?
Do we look fish? If you like... Damn. I keep laughing, you guys. If you guys like this video, give it a like, of course. Subscribe to my channel. If you want Angel back, comment below.
You better want me back.
Add her. All the description details are gonna be in the bottom description box below.
Yes, please come.
You should do your little on her channel. She does this little hi.
It's the hi.
How do you do it?
Hi.
I don't know how this bitch does it. Anyways, give it a like. Add her on her channel, add me of course, and we'll see you on the next video, you guys.
And come check out the one we did in mine.
Oh yeah, I totally forgot. We did a video on her channel. We did the no mirror makeup challenge, you guys. Check that one out. It's funny as shit.
It came out better than this. But she rocked it. You guys need to come check it out. She killed it. She looked bomb.
We both look bomb, girl. And remember, you guys.
Fuck the hate. You do you, boo-boo.
Maybe I should change it. I like
You should. Change it. Yeah, it's cuter.
You do you, boo boo.
Yeah.
Anyways, bye guys.
Bye bye. Mwah.
We look good, honey.
I want to Snapchat too.
Okay.
6.5 hours later.
Yeah, it's so busted.
Busted the hot.
Alright guys.
And we're back.
Oh shit, what the hell? Why did it get so bright? Anyways, round 3. We lost the footage from our 10-minute makeup challenge.